Good day everyone, I'm Lim Ming Xuan, a final year student from University Malaysia Sabah. Besides, I'm working on the GAC industry-based project under the supervisor of Dr. Tan Su Fen. The title of my project is Web-based Inventory Management System for Dynamic Healthcare Center. Now I'd like to demo the proposed system. Firstly, here is the login page. There are 3 target users. For example, I will try to log in as a top manager. They can key in their username and also the password. Then with the correct username and password, it will navigate to the system. The user interface design layout follows the desktop frame horizontally. When a user clicks on the sidebar menu button, the navigation bar appears on the left side, followed by the main module. The company logo will be placed in the upper left corner, while the user login and logout button will be placed in the upper right corner. Next, I will demo some of the modules because of the time limit. For example, before inserting the accessory device or product, the top manager or admin need to key in the item followed by the category in the general setting module. When click on the stock category, it will show the table list followed by the stock name, purchaser name, supplier, and last purchase date. User can add the stock by clicking on the Add button. It is categorized into 2 sections, a menu and add a new category. For instance, in the menu section, the top manager and administrator need to enter the purchaser name and select the purchase by which company and key in the name of the stock category. Then the data will be shown in the table list. Whereas the stock section will show the table list. User can also add the stock by clicking on the Add button. After selecting the category, they can key in the data into 3 sections, which are the production, raw material, component, and also consumable. Next, for the accessory device module, the table list included information about the accessory device name, serial number, quantity, minimum threshold, unit price, last update date, and update by whom. The last update time will be provided after the user click on the button. The table list will be downloaded as the Excel file after clicking on the export button. The top manager or admin also can insert the new accessory device by clicking on the Add button. And it will show here. For the accessory device list, will be display all the devices below the minimum threshold set by the top manager or admin. Then the edit button will be provided to let them modify the data after purchasing the new device from the supplier. Next, the supplier and inventory purchase management module. They are 3 items, for example, purchase order, delivery order, and also supplier issue invoice. For the purchase order, only the top manager or admin can insert the data. Then the data also will be displayed in the table list. Besides only the DO and supplier issue invoice, the top manager or admin can select the supplier and insert some information, then upload the DO or invoice receipt at the provider area. Then for the DO, the table list will be provided, followed by the creating of the DO date, time, and checking or packing by whom and the DO receipt. They can click on the view file to look through the delivery order. Whereas supplier issue invoice, the information included creating the invoice date, supplier, term, invoice receipt, and the account status. It also the same as the DO module can refer to the file that is already been uploaded, and the top manager can update the invoice status. For example, here is active, then it can edit the status and update it. It will change to inactive. That's all from me. Thank you. Hope that you can spend your time filling out the system usability skills form after watching the demo system. Thank you.